Former police officer Derek Chauvin, yes, they don't finally find him guilty. And for now, we know there of this matter, him being key person George Floyd. Yes, and this one, people don't think I say na racism, say the police officer na white and the judge na black America. So now my people, no be small protest been they go on. All the people, in family members, friends, everybody say this one, he must go down. I bet put the picture where he put in leg for person next year. This one na before the shooting happen. See how person they treat. Not be smart, you know. And after they talk to now, according to the judge, they don't tell us say Derek was convicted. Make I read according to their this thing. Derek was convicted of 2nd and 3rd degree murder as well as 2nd degree manslaughter. So now, as I talk to now, go they face up to 75 years in prison. Make I break it down for now. 40 years now for 2nd degree murder. Then 25 years now for 3rd degree murder, and then 10 years for 2nd degree manslaughter. All of them we study law and all those many things. Now understand me, I don't know because I don't bring the video so that I go hear from the judge himself. Join me, make me watch the video.
Members of the jury, I will now read the verdicts as they will appear in the permanent records of the 4th Judicial District. State of Minnesota, County of Hennepin, District Court, 4th Judicial District. State of Minnesota Plaintiff versus Derek Michael Chauvin, Defendant. Verdict, Count 1. Court File Number 27, CR 20-12646. We, the jury, in the above entitled matter as to Count 1, unintentional 2nd-degree murder while committing a felony, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April 2021 at 1:44 p.m. Signed, Juror Foreperson, Juror Number 19. Same caption, verdict count 2. We, the jury, in the above entitled matter as to count 2, 3rd-degree murder, perpetrating an eminently dangerous act, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April 2021 at 1:45 p.m. Signed by jury foreperson, Juror Number 19. Same caption, verdict count 3. We, the jury, in the above entitled matter as to count 3, 2nd-degree manslaughter, culpable negligence, creating an unreasonable risk, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April 2021 at 1:45 p.m. Jury foreperson 019. Bail is revoked, bond is discharged, and the defendant is remanded to the custody of the Hennepin County Sheriff. Anything further?
All right.
Thank you.
I bet put this man, put Derek as he sit down for see as he sit down. Like say they call far and food. He still get myself wear suit for this kind of matter where you dey inside. You dey wear serious suit. Even wear nose mask. Chai! This thing they give me joy. You know, no go understand. Anything we get to do with black people. Once white people are there and there is justice, are they happy? Because these people, they don't too overdo. So it's good. As soon as they hear me like this, guilty on all counts with no bail. This one, no bailing is allowed. In fact, he must face what he has gone there to face. This is justice. Yeah. This is justice, oh, not be a maker. Justice. So I beg, make una start the jubilate. Me, I they follow them, they jubilate. Very, very important. Because this Derek now very wicked somebody. I don't hear. Matter even reach me say he don't do this thing before. Say he keep person before. Where they I don't know which punishment they give her before you know I come back. I don't know. They say not be the first time. And I hope say this thing go serve as a lesson to other white police people. Well, una go just they put eye for black people body. No, una go they wonder why they specify black because now the thing where they happen. See how people they no check them. Even though as they put her for prison, even though the person will come back to life, but at least he has been vindicated. It's very, very important. All lives matters. Whether you are black or you are orange or you are green or if you like carry rainbow for your skin, all lives matters. But this one, don't they think now? I don't know whether I go agree with me, but Our area, my people, I know so I go agree. Before they lock this man up, they for say now go on Onitsha market. Make those boys give am better. You know, see if they deal with them. Because this prison where they go now go, they go treat am, they go see they give am food. You know, say white people they are prison, you go, they feel like say you dey house safe. They suppose send am there when they deal with am. Hey, they feel go give am, lock am for that place. Suppose suffer. But anyhow, it's still a good thing. We are joining the family of George Floyd, yes, to jollificate on this matter. So if you dey with us as we dey jollificate, because make a dey read am for that comment section, because it's very, very important. And we dey pray to God, oh, may this kind of justice reach our side. We know ourselves, you understand? We need them for our country. I bet that the matter with this, my people, make the comment start a roll, and make sure say you share this video, because justice has prevailed. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't go miss anything we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.